pretty simple. Wow. So whenever you scrolling down, you will get an animation like this. Hey everyone, this is Angga from Indonesia and welcome back to my video in YouTube. Well, firstly, I'm gonna say to you about the Happy New Year 2018, and I hope we are going to the best every day. So in this video, we're going to learn how to create the animation for the scrolling up and scrolling down in the Framer for UI design. Actually, this is for the user and interface animation with the Framer. So let's get started to create new project here. And press shortcut F to make new frame for the artboard iPhone SE. And I'm change the name with the command R for the screen A. I don't know how to give the name of the frame screen A or splash screen on home. Basically, it's not about the splash screen or home screen. So that's why I give it screen A. Okay. Now I'm going to create the header and items here. So we're going to press F again to make header like this. I will take it for 190 with the opacity 100, and you can change this color to the black or to the green, but actually I'm gonna to change this color to the images, so white. Well, as you can see here, I prepared one image from unsplash.com that you can download it, and then I will paste here and make it for clip like this. Oops. Okay, and then select these images, and I'm trying to make it keep it 5. Oh, sorry, I'm going to make it small like this, and nice. I don't know what is this, but seems like so creepy. I'm scary about this. Yeah, well, if you are using the Sketch app, maybe there's a craft plugin that helps you to download the image from plugin, but here we don't have any plugin. So just download manually from the unsplash.com and then put it into your framer. So I call it picture. Okay, and then I want to create the title with the text tool here. So I can create here Pearl Harbor. With the font type it's Montserrat, and change the color to the white color, and then make it to the center, and the margin top is 16. Okay, and of course I need the shadow like this. Pretty nice. Now here I'm going to add one icon for the back icon. So we're going to put icon here and make it small, maybe 18, and change the color to the white color and give little shadow like we did in the Pearl Harbor. And make sure the margin top is 16 and margin left is 16. Okay, nice. Now we have picture like this, and then I'm going to create something here, but firstly I want to copy this title and paste here, and remove the shadow, change the color to the silver like this. Now like this, and then I want to change this title to the maybe moments. I don't know what should I write, so I just give it moments. And of course the margin top is 16 and margin left is 16. Cool. And after that I'm going to create the repeatedly content to make sure just to the purpose of scrolling animation. So here just use the frame like this, make it full, and sorry, here minus by 32 and make it center and full, and change the color to the black, no, maybe blue, and setting the radius to 12, no, 10. Okay, enough, like this. And get the shadow here, that I will increase the opacity to 30, no, 50, 40. Okay, nice. And get the blur 10, and the Y position is 0, no, maybe 5, and I have to decrease the opacity to 20, no, 10. Okay, nice. So basically I'm going to make this screen A to like this, and select this item and move here and duplicate, select those item and duplicate, and I'm going to make it large again, and then select those item and duplicate again, and select this artboard and like this. So you will have the content, but you cannot scroll it, so you have to make the little change here. So first of all, we select screen A and activate in the code section, and then we select this picture, and then I'm going to make it small after this. So let's do this. First, we're going to use scroll, but I forget how to make the scroll, so I prepared the code here. Nice. And it should be screen like this, and this is should be the peak. So you will get like this, scroll like this, but there's no an animation, so we have to make the screen B. Screen B is only for the preview. So here in the peak we make it to 40, no, 55, so 50. Okay, and then I want to remove this picture. So first I'm select this picture, and then I make code, maybe images. Okay, and in the peak we remove the picture, which is the opacity should be 0, and in the peak we have to change the color to the purple. Nice. Now here we go. First of all, we make here scroll, on scroll like this. If scroll scroll Y more than 20, and then pick animate, and then height is 50 pixel. So you will get like this, but here I'm going to setting the option to make it fast, 0.5 like this, 0.2. Nice. Now after that I will setting this picture, the background should be hex Scott. So background color here it is, but you cannot see there's the background because there's an images, so that's why setting these images opacity to the 0. Okay, you see, but of course we need the shadow here. But how to make the shadow in the code? So I'm trying now. Shadow 1. Oh, cannot. I don't know how to add the shadow, but yeah, it's good lah. I think we can change to the another color, maybe gradients for this color. No, I think we can use silver color. No, green. Yeah, let's try to use green here. Okay, nice. So after that, in the else, we need to copy all of this and paste, and opacity 1. So when you back here, the opacity will be 1. Okay, as you can see here. And then we change it to the 190. You see? And the background color would be delete. Nice. So this is how we can easily to make an animation for the header and make it to the top. So actually the key is here. First you have to create the scroll manager and assign the screen to scroll, and then let the header outside of the scroll, and then setting validation for animation like this. It's pretty simple. Wow. So whenever you scrolling down, you will get an animation like this. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. Goodbye.